Driving an electric fleet has never been easier. With the XPULSE app, charging your EV is just a few taps away, quick, reliable, and stress-free. Let's walk you through how to get started and charge your EV using the XPULSE mobile app. But before that, you need to follow 3 basic steps. Download and install the XPULSE app from the Play Store or App Store. Register your mobile number and log in the desired tenant using the credentials given by your fleet manager. Allow app permissions such as location and notifications for full functionality. Note: you do not need to recharge a wallet. Your fleet manager will manage all payments through the corporate account. Your vehicle will be assigned to you by your fleet manager in one of 2 ways. The manager adds the vehicle manually to your profile. They share a unique QR code with you. To proceed, open the XPULSE app and scan the QR code to link the vehicle to your profile. Once the vehicle is linked, you're ready to charge. To begin charging your fleet vehicle, open the XPULSE app. Select the assigned vehicle. Choose a charging station convenient to your location. Use filters to view available charging guns. Plug the gun into your vehicle. Start the session via app or RFID card. Once charging is complete, stop the session via the app. Unplug the charging gun and place it back properly in the charger holder. Do not leave it on the ground. You can view details of both ongoing and completed charging sessions under the Charging Sessions section. To download your receipt, go to the Invoice section in the app. With XPULSE, charging your fleet vehicle is fast, secure, and fully managed. You focus on the drive, we'll handle the charge. For any help, reach out through your fleet manager or contact XPULSE support via call or email.